Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Leilani's Love. You already know what time it is. So today we about to hop right to it. I have an orange unit here and I have a client that asked for it to be spiced up a little bit. So today we're just gonna give it some highlights and lowlights. So I'm starting now by lightening the hair. This was originally dyed with Adore, the Cajun Spice color. And I'm just going to go in and add some highlights or do a balayage technique to add some light at the end to give it a little bit of dimension. And then we're going to go and add some low lights. So this is just one of my favorite techniques to lighten hair with, is a balayage. As you can see here, I've used the VW technique. This is one of my favorite techniques for balayage. It's also done best with clay lightener. I didn't have clay lightener today. I used Kaleidocolors, but the technique is the same, just a different product. So this is the look that it's going to be. Everywhere you see the white or the lightener, that's where your highlights are going to be. I could go in and do the dark or the low light at the same time, but I chose not to because it's a wig and you have to go track by track. If I was doing this on a human head, I would definitely do the dark and light at the same time. Whenever I'm using lightener, I do like to use the back of the comb and just wipe off the lightener to see how high the color has lifted. So I rinsed out the lightener and now you can see we got some dimension. Y'all see them little pops? You see it. Yes, but this is what a balayage effect gives you. It just adds a little shadow and light in the hair, you know, just so when you turn your head, just, you know, a little bit more vibrant. So now I'm going to go in with a dark color to do her roots. If you're doing this on a human head, by all means, do the color and the lightener at the same time. But because I'm doing it on a wig, I have to make sure that I go between each track and make sure each track is neat. So it's just a little bit more time consuming on a wig and you just have to be a lot neater. So I am using Wella on her roots. This is a permanent hair color. It's very loose, very thin as far as application wise. This is like my second or third time using Wella on weave, and I'm kind of starting to veer away from it. But for this purpose today, for low lights, I feel like it got the job done. So you can see here where all the darkness will be. And it's just a matter of following those V and W patterns that we did before when we started our balayage. So here's the final results. Isn't she just like a doll, y'all? She's just so pretty. And this color is just everything. You can see the dark, the light, the dimension. I'm just in love with this color. If you're in the New York area and you're interested in getting your hair color, wig color, make sure you hit me up on Instagram at Leilani's.love. Or you can always check out my website, www.leilanislove.com, to see what I have available. And I just want to thank you guys so much for watching. And be sure to subscribe. And until next time, peace and love.